the articulation point, it is one of the lisan, the tongue letters. If you see here, the tip of the tongue, that's the tip of the tongue, that's one place near the inner plates of the top two incisors. So near the inner plates of the top two incisors, slightly above the lower incisors. Okay, slightly above the lower incisors. See here. So the first one is the tip of the tongue here, near the inner plates here, and this one is slightly above the lower incisors. So a small space is left when we are pronouncing it. Okay, so there's all the three different points of explaining the articulation point for Saad. Let me go to the 3D model and see we can show you better. Graphical representation. Okay. Okay. So the articulation points for this is, that is the tip of the tongue. Okay, near the inner plates of the inner place near the top incisors, and slightly above the lower incisors. Those 3 points are the articulation points when we're pronouncing the word, the letter Saad.